What is going to happen when we integrate the Gulikit Hall Effect joystick to the PS4 controller? First, I added the Hall sensor to the board with some creative soldering, placed the joystick on top, and added an extra wire for my multimeter for measuring voltage coming out of the Hall sensor, and connected everything to my computer via my $10 USB-C circuit board, which you can get on Tindie and Lectronz. And there is light in 1.6 volt, that's a good start. But when I'm moving the stick, something weird happened. It's not supposed to be like this. The voltage only goes up to 1.9 volt and down to 1.4. But in our previous video, you saw that we need it to go all the way down to 0.5 and up to 2.5 volt. And if you don't manage to do that, the joystick only thinks you're moving it a little bit. However, there are circuits which we can use to shift the voltage to what we need, but this is not the biggest problem. The Hall effect sensor used by Gulikit varies its output voltage based on the strength of north or a south magnetic field. They use a rectangular magnet with magnetic fields on each side. However, magnetic fields are not symmetrical, and especially not for square magnets, meaning that if you turn the stick 10 steps to the left, it might result in a voltage change of 0.1 volt, while the next 10 steps might result in twice as much change. To combat this, Gulikit uses an extra computer that maps the right magnetic field values to the right output voltage, exactly as we did in the last video. But adding extra computers is gonna drain batteries, and it's not a good solution. So does this mean that we'll never get Hall sticks for the original PS4 controller? No. You just have to do this. Dump the pot, add a diametric ring magnet, make a holder, create a new housing with circuit board holder, install a special Hall sensor that output voltage based on the magnetic field rotation, not strength, add an op-amp magic circuit to adjust the voltage, and bam! You got yourself Hall sensor joysticks. If you're interested in purchasing one of these joysticks for about $20 to $30-ish, leave me a comment saying, "Shut up and take my money," and don't forget to give the video a like to help it reach a wider audience. Exciting news! I just received the Hall sensors and I'm ready to design the prototype circuit board, which I will have manufactured at PCBWay. If you would like to support my work, consider upgrading your PS4 controller with USB-C. You can buy one from me, or you can become a patron and get first access to my products and prototypes.